Welcome to Health Miracles. Did you know that the brain is an energy-hungry organ, using about 20% of your body's calories? That's why it needs good fuel to keep you focused and sharp throughout the day. The brain also depends on certain nutrients to stay healthy. For example, omega-3 fatty acids help build and repair brain cells, while antioxidants reduce cellular stress and inflammation, which are linked to brain aging and diseases like Alzheimer's. We've always known that what we eat affects our bodies, but research shows it also has a big impact on brain health. Eating the right foods can keep your mind sharp and focused. The connection between the gut and brain is strong, so when we nourish our bodies with whole, nutritious foods, we support both. So, what foods are best for your brain? Let's explore the top brain-boosting options. There's something for everyone to enjoy. Brain food for brain health. What is a brain food? Brain foods are those packed with antioxidants, healthy fats, vitamins, and minerals. These nutrients provide energy to the brain and help protect brain cells, reducing the risk of developing brain diseases. But how exactly do these brain-healthy foods support mental health? One key way is by promoting gut health and managing inflammation. The gut produces many important hormones and neurotransmitters that influence cognitive abilities like memory, concentration, and the ability to process new information. This means a healthy gut is essential for sending the brain the right chemical signals to keep us performing at our best. On the other hand, a poor diet can trigger the release of inflammatory cytokines, which can contribute to brain-damaging inflammation. While inflammation is the body's natural defense mechanism, helping to fight illnesses and repair injuries, chronic inflammation is harmful. It has been linked to several mental and cognitive conditions, including dementia, cognitive impairment, and Alzheimer's disease, as well as other age-related issues. Top 9 brain foods. Here are some top brain-healthy choices that experts suggest incorporating into your diet to help prevent age-related cognitive decline. 1. Avocados. Although avocados are often criticized for their high fat content, they are actually packed with monounsaturated fats, the good kind. These fats can help reduce cognitive decline and keep blood sugar levels stable. Avocados are also rich in vitamin K and folate, which can help prevent blood clots in the brain and protect against stroke, as well as support memory and concentration. Additionally, they provide essential vitamin B and vitamin C, which your body doesn't store and needs to be replenished daily. With the highest protein and lowest sugar content of any fruit, avocados are a nutritious choice. The creamy texture makes avocados a versatile ingredient for smoothies and a healthy substitute for fats in baked goods. 2. Oily fish. Essential fatty acids are crucial dietary components because the body cannot produce them on its own. They must be obtained through the food we eat. The most effective forms, found naturally in oily fish, are eicosapentaenoic acid, EPA, and docosahexaenoic acid, DHA. These fats are vital for maintaining healthy brain function, as well as supporting heart health, joint function, and overall well-being. Preliminary research suggests that getting enough EPA and DHA may help alleviate depression, and low levels of DHA might be linked to a higher risk of dementia, Alzheimer's disease, and memory loss. Plant-based sources of these fats include flax seeds, soybeans, pumpkin seeds, walnuts, and their oils. However, the body has to convert these plant-based sources into their active forms, and this conversion process is not very efficient. In contrast, oily fish provide these essential fats in their active form, making them easier for the body to use. Examples of oily fish include salmon, trout, mackerel, herring, sardines, pilchards, and kippers. For those who are vegetarian or vegan, adding seeds like flax seeds, hemp, and chia to your diet, or considering a plant-based supplement from microalgae, can be beneficial. It's particularly important for vegetarian or vegan pregnant or breastfeeding women to consider a supplement, as these fats play a crucial role in the development of the baby's central nervous system. 3. Coconut oil. This is incredibly versatile, offering a range of benefits for overall health and well-being. When it comes to brain health, coconut oil can help reduce inflammation by suppressing the cells responsible for it. This can be particularly beneficial for combating memory loss associated with aging and addressing harmful bacteria in the gut. Additionally, coconut oil and medium-chain triglyceride, MCT, oil, which is derived from coconut oil, are popular fats for those following a ketogenic diet. Research suggests that the ketone bodies produced during ketosis may provide neuroprotective effects, potentially reducing the risk of Alzheimer's disease and supporting aging brain cells. To incorporate coconut oil into your diet, consider trying it in recipes like coconut crust pizza. You can also benefit from healthy fats and even some fiber by using real coconut milk and coconut flakes, which contribute to both brain health and gut support. 4. Blackcurrants. Maintaining optimal levels of vitamin C is believed to enhance mental vitality, and research suggests that a deficiency in this vital nutrient might contribute to age-related brain degeneration, such as dementia and Alzheimer's disease. Additionally, emerging studies indicate that vitamin C may play a role in managing anxiety and stress. One of the top sources of vitamin C is blackcurrants. These small, dark berries are exceptionally rich in this essential nutrient, making them a powerful addition to your diet for supporting brain health and emotional well-being. In addition to blackcurrants, other excellent sources of vitamin C include red peppers, citrus fruits like oranges, and broccoli. Including these vitamin C-rich foods in your diet can help ensure you're getting enough of this crucial nutrient to support cognitive function and manage stress, ultimately contributing to better mental and overall health. 5. Pumpkin seeds. These seeds are a nutrient-packed powerhouse that may offer significant benefits for brain health. These seeds are rich in antioxidants, which can help protect both the body and brain from free radical damage. Key nutrients found in pumpkin seeds include zinc, crucial for nerve signaling. Zinc deficiency has been linked to several neurological conditions, including Alzheimer's disease, depression, and Parkinson's disease. Magnesium, essential for learning and memory. Low magnesium levels have been associated with neurological issues such as migraines, depression, and epilepsy. Copper, this mineral helps regulate nerve signals. Imbalances in copper levels may increase the risk of neurodegenerative disorders like Alzheimer's disease. Iron, essential for cognitive function. Iron deficiency can lead to brain fog and impaired brain performance. While most research highlights these individual micronutrients, pumpkin seeds themselves are a rich source of these beneficial nutrients. Adding pumpkin seeds to your diet can help you harness their brain-boosting properties, thanks to their high content of copper, iron, magnesium, and zinc. 6. Bone broth. Bone broth is a powerful food known for its healing properties, especially for the gut and brain. This age-old remedy offers numerous benefits, from boosting the immune system to addressing leaky gut, improving joint health, and even alleviating food allergies. One of the key benefits of bone broth is its high collagen content, which helps reduce intestinal inflammation. Additionally, healing amino acids like proline and glycine support immune function and enhance memory. Many health practitioners recommend bone broth for its ability to heal the body from the inside out. It's not only effective but also surprisingly simple and cost-effective to make at home. 7. Green leafy vegetables. Leafy green vegetables, such as kale, Swiss chard, and romaine lettuce, are incredibly beneficial for brain health. Recent research indicates that regularly consuming these greens can help protect against dementia. A study involving over 950 older adults, which tracked their eating habits and cognitive function over an average of 5 years, found that those who ate a serving of leafy greens once or twice daily experienced slower mental decline compared to those who consumed no vegetables. This was true even when considering factors like age, education, and family history of dementia. Incorporating a generous amount of greens into each meal can significantly boost brain health. These vegetables not only provide essential nutrients but also serve as a healthier alternative to empty carbohydrates found in foods like pasta and bread. Leafy greens are also rich in vitamins A and K. Just 1 cup of kale delivers more than 684% of your daily recommended intake of vitamin K. These vitamins help reduce inflammation and support bone health. Enjoy the benefits of these brain-boosting vegetables with recipes like mango walnut spinach salad or kale chips. 8. Dark chocolate. Not all chocolate is created equal. Dark chocolate, in particular, can be quite beneficial for your health. It's packed with flavonols, which provide antioxidant and anti-inflammatory effects. Research indicates that cocoa can boost cerebral blood flow and oxygenation, as well as help lower blood pressure and reduce oxidative stress in both the brain and heart. However, it's important to be selective about your chocolate choices. Many commercially available chocolates are highly processed and don't offer the same brain benefits. The general rule is that the darker the chocolate, the more benefits it provides. To get the most out of your chocolate, choose minimally processed dark chocolate with at least 70% cocoa content. This will ensure you receive the full range of cocoa's health benefits. Enjoy dark chocolate in treats like dark chocolate almond butter cookies or chocolate-covered berries for a delicious and nutritious indulgence. 9. Rosemary. This herb is well known for its aromatic oil, but the herb itself offers significant health benefits as well. One of its key compounds, carnosic acid, helps protect the brain from neurodegeneration. It does so by shielding the brain from chemical-free radicals, which are associated with conditions like Alzheimer's, strokes, and the natural aging process. Rosemary also supports eye health due to its high antioxidant and anti-inflammatory content. Other herbs with similar antioxidant properties include basil, peppermint, sage, parsley, and cilantro. To enjoy the benefits of rosemary, try incorporating it into your meals with recipes like sweet potato rosemary fries or maple glazed rosemary carrots. These dishes provide a flavorful way to boost your intake of this beneficial herb. The bottom line: these nutrient-rich brain foods combat disease and safeguard brain cells by supplying essential antioxidants, vitamins, and minerals. They can enhance memory, improve concentration, boost mood, and strengthen the gut-brain connection. In addition to their cognitive benefits, these brain-boosting foods may lower your risk of developing Alzheimer's, dementia, depression, and other mental health conditions. Most of these foods also support your immune and digestive systems, contributing to overall well-being. Thanks for watching. If you enjoyed this video, please subscribe for more insights. Wishing you abundant health and prosperity on your journey to wellness.